Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing Needle Cornrows tutorial on my 4C natural hair. As always, I start by spraying my hair with water. I focus it on the roots so that opening lines will be much easier for me. Then I apply water all over my hair and then I just massage it through. I open a milky line halfway and also an ear to ear line. So in terms of opening the line, the only determining factor is my hairline. I'm currently having some hair loss issues just here next to my hairline, so I'll be using a needle and a thread. So I start off by rolling my hair and then I'm going to hold it down with my fingers. Then I'm going to start threading just next to my hairline or the starting point of your hair. The needle goes beneath your hair, then pull the thread through while it's pinning down the end of the thread and continue threading through to secure it down. So guys, if you want to maintain the neatness of your cornrows, please make sure that you leave even spaces in between. You can see the needle goes under, then you catch it on the other side and then you pull the thread through. So basically you just keep on repeating the same process. So towards the end, I twirl my thread and tie a knot. Then I'll be using this super kinky plus hair from Sublime brand. I start twisting and adding the hair all the way down to the ends. For the back, I did the chunky knotless twist. I start by braiding my hair at least like half a centimeter. To braid, I divide my hair into 3 sections, then I braid to half a centimeter, and then afterwards I divide the 3 sections into 2, and then I start twisting and adding the hair all the way down to our ends. Guys, for adding the hair, you can actually stop when you feel like you've got the thickness that you want. So basically what I was looking for here, I was looking for something that is natural, that is almost like my 4C type. So basically that's why I use this hair. So as you can see guys, we are done and this is the final product. It's easy and above all it is pocket friendly. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please be sure to share the video with your loved ones, and thank you so much guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.